Hey everyone, these are the foam roll thread the needle. So this is one of my favorite exercises to stretch out the mid-back, get that rotation, as well as stretch out the shoulders a bit. So again, we're gonna use these foam rollers. We're gonna put it to the outside of our mat. And if it's on the right side of the mat, I'm gonna be using my left hand to cross under. So again, that's the key thing, is we're going under this front arm here, putting the pinky edge on the foam roll, and then we're just gonna roll to the side. And it's okay to drop that left shoulder and head to the mat. You're gonna hold that position for about 3 seconds and roll back up. Back down, back up, and then same thing on the other side. So you move the foam roll to the left side. Now it's your right hand coming under the left hand and rolling to the right. There you have it. Those are the foam roll thread the needles.